Looking for a dependable Ethernet cable that guarantees fast and clear data transmission? The iMBA Cat5 Snagless molded patch cable offers exactly that with its high-quality 50-micron gold-plated contacts designed to prevent corrosion and maintain signal clarity. It's fully FCC Part 68 compliant, so you know it meets strict industry standards for performance and safety. What sets this cable apart is its molded strain relief, which secures the connection and keeps the cable within the proper Cat5 bending radius. This means less wear and tear over time, reducing the chance of signal loss or damage. The snagless design also makes unplugging hassle-free, protecting the clip from accidental release and ensuring a longer lifespan for your cable. I recently ordered a 10-pack of these cables in blue, 3-foot lengths, and was impressed by the professional construction and fast delivery. The RJ45 connectors feel solid and well-made, with protective boot covers that add extra durability. Shipping arrived quickly in Winnipeg, and the variety of colors and lengths available makes it easy to customize your network setup. These cables don't just meet Cat5 specifications, they exceed them. Using pure copper wiring alongside the gold-plated connectors, they provide excellent bandwidth support for all your networking needs. Whether you're setting up a home office, gaming station, or corporate network, you get reliable performance without compromise. Worth a look if you want a cable that combines quality, durability, and value. The iMBA Cat5 cables come in individual pieces or multi-packs, so you can stock up according to your needs. Customers across the U.S. have praised their professional build and fast shipping, making them a trusted choice for network cabling. If that's you, upgrading your network with the iMBA Cat5 Snagless molded patch cable could be the simple step that boosts your connection speed and stability. With its corrosion-resistant design and secure fit, it's built to last and perform under pressure. Try it when you're ready to experience a smoother, more reliable internet connection. Explore the selection of colors and lengths to find the perfect fit for your setup. Whether you need a single cable or a full kit, iMBA offers flexibility without sacrificing quality. Invest in a cable that professionals trust and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a solid network foundation.